Broke my lever. I didn't break it all the way. Whew. I don't know how I'm gonna get up this. It is slippery as hell right here. Whew. It's a little flatted. All right. I think I'm gonna have to turn around, go back. So I don't think I'm getting up this. That's all right, I can go back. It's not too far. Hopefully I can get up those other hills though. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get up this. I might be stuck. No, I'm stuck. I'm gonna have to sleep here tonight. I wonder if I can push it. There we go. Maybe I should have tried that back there. It was really slippery. More slippery than this. I'm gonna be stuck here forever. That's what I get for leaving my tire with no tread on it. All right, we'll go back a little ways. I'm just digging a holes. Okay. Let's see, take a quick nap. Whew. It could have been a lot worse than this. I could be like down there. So I don't ride alone, kids. I didn't break my clutch lever. That's a plus. Just need to get past that little hump where it keeps getting stuck. That was so close! Yeah, I need to just go back down this hill and start again. Get at least to the road before it gets dark. Oh, this is even worse. Can't get past a stupid spot. I'm gonna try to go. Nope. No, do not go towards the hill. Straight back up. So I don't want more of a problem. But this time I'm prepared because I got the green chili adventure gear ZDRAG kit. So I'm gonna latch it to that tree up there and it should pull me right out. This is the first time I've had to use it, but it's getting dark out and I don't want to like waste my energy trying to like get it up this hill. So here it is. It's like about the size of a loaf of bread. I always keep it in here after this one time where I had to leave my bike in the forest. I was with my friend too and we could not get it out. Like I got it down like a hill like this and it was just not coming out and we couldn't start to rain, so I had to like ride on the back of my friend's bike all the way back home. This is basically gives you a 4-to-1 ratio pull if you're by yourself and a 5-to-1 if you have a friend with you. It doesn't actually come with these straps. I actually added these because I felt like it would just make it easier and make it more even as you're going up the hill. The sun is going down, so hopefully I can get this out of here without too much trouble, and hopefully I don't have to get this out again on the way back home, even though there are a few hills. On the way here though, I went up this like pretty steep hill that was all snowy like this and I went right up it, so I don't know what the difference is. I've seen other kits out there that are really complicated and you have to know all these knots and stuff. This one's really simple to do and it's all ready to go. It's not long enough yet, but it will be here in a second. Let me take these red things off first so it actually works. Yeah, I added these because I just didn't like want it to get tangled up or something. It's actually this one right here that gives you more room. Yeah, look at all that extra room. No problemo. Just throw this around the tree like that. Put that carabiner on there. There we go. I need to put more slack in it because I want this part to go all the way back to me. I'm just gonna sit on my bike, pull myself up. I think this will work really well, actually. we're going somewhere. Not very fast, but it's cool. Like once you pull it, it like locks it into place. It's like one of those row machines. There we go. So once you get like almost to the end, see if it'll rest. Yeah, that's good. Now all you have to do is just pull it all back through like that, and that'll be plenty. I just need to get to this dry part and I should be good. So yeah, you gotta pull a lot to move the bike just a little bit, but in return, it's a lot easier. Yeah, this thing is so nice. Like no knots or anything crazy you have to do with this. It's all set up, ready to be deployed. And you can also move like trees and stuff out of the trail, like all by yourself. So that's pretty cool. There we go, we're almost to dry land. I just want to take the slack out of it. Before I put this away, I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna be able to get out of here. Yes! I made it! Hopefully I don't have to do that again. But if you have time, when you're done with it, you can just run it all back through. So it's ready to use it next time. And then I just throw these little red things back on. Kind of like how headphones kind of get tangled all up in your pocket for like no apparent reason. You stuff it back all in the sack. So yeah, lesson learned, I should get a better rear tire. So yeah guys, I wasn't paid or sponsored by them in any way. I bought that thing with my own money. Ooh, look at that view, that's nice. Woo! Hopefully I can get out of here, at least back to the main snowy road, not the main paved road, before it gets like actually dark. Out of control! Back to the main road. But anyways guys, I'll leave links down below to where you can find the Green Chili Adventure Gear ZDRAG recovery kit. I definitely recommend it, especially if you do like a lot of adventure type stuff by yourself. Could really get you out of some trouble like it did me back there. But thanks for watching guys, and I will catch you later. Peace out. Broke my clutch lever shortly after breaking my brake lever. At least it's just like the end.